Hi, Vlad from RedTrack. In this brief unlock setup video, we'll cover how to add RedTrack private app for Shopify. So of course we have explicit instructions, and the key thing here is to remember which access rights your app will need. Order editing, orders, and script tags. So in your Shopify account, proceed to settings. In settings, proceed to apps and sales channels. And you'll get to the screen that at the moment in time looks like this, but they always change the settings. If you don't have app development activated, please activate it first. The link should be at the bottom. When you have app development activated, you click develop apps, and you won't do anything really complex, but you just need to add our app. So then you will what you'll do is that you will create an app. Give it a name, for example, RedTrack Unlock. Leave yourself as app developer and create app. Now you need to configure the scope. It's basically given the rights that we want to have. To recap, order editing, orders, and script tags. So you can either search but that's order editing, whom we give to, orders we give to, and script tags we give to. That's it. No additional rights. Save. At this step we then go to API credentials, and we need to click install app. Install. Now what's important, you will have your API key and secret key. Don't need them. You need this token. So I can reveal this token once, and that's the token we'll use later, or similar token in the setup stage of or connecting your RedTrack Unlock account with the Shopify store. So reveal token once. Make sure you copy it, because you will need it in your RedTrack account to connect your Shopify store to RedTrack. That's it. We just developed a private app for Shopify. The next steps will connect it to RedTrack, generate all the tracking scripts in RedTrack, just one click of a button, and then add all those tracking scripts and webhooks into Shopify. Thank you. This was Slide from RedTrack, and we covered how to create Shopify private app. Thank you.